Hello everybody who are watching this video. Me and my groupmates, as you can see at the bottom left, Hua Hongzhe, Yi Junhui, Hua Hongshen, and personally me, Luke Winven, will be discussing and exploring the challenges of Alibaba Group subsidiary. Taobao is a very large e-commerce powerhouse in the global market with diverse arrays of business activities and encounter in the realm of corporate application. Additionally, the report also explores the diverse strategy of Taobao, including enterprises system, supply chain management, customer relation management system, as well as various challenges that can improve the operation efficiency and efficienciness with customer relationship. Furthermore, this research focuses on the challenges specifically to enterprise app of Taobao and uses effective ways to address.
Hello everyone, my name is Paul Shen, and now I will start my part. Now I will talk about the enterprise system. The definition of enterprise system. Enterprise system, also known as ERP system or enterprise software, integrate core business operation like financial, HR, manufacturing, supply chain, and service into a single platform, with a central database facilitating communication and data exchange among different functions. How enterprise software works. ERP software as the organization backbone, facilitating seamless data exchange among departments via a centralized database. It stores cooker records like accounting, inventory, and sales data, enabling access at the same time. The system generates reports to assess business performance, aiming to enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and support decision making. In this section, I will discuss the value provided by enterprise systems. The first one is scalability and flexibility. As Taobao continues to grow and evolve, enterprise systems offer scalability and flexibility to manage increasing transactions, expand product offerings, and adapt to evolving business requirements. The second one is global reach. Taobao opens up a world of opportunity for business with access to a vast online marketplace so that it has customers not only focusing on their local market but globally in many different countries. The next slide, I will talk about the SCM Coordinate Planning Production Logistics. SCM, also called as Supply Chain Management, is a connect network of organizations and processes responsible for managing the flow of goods and service. Taobao business operation include sourcing of product, listing, order processing, customer service, support, and next one is listing and merchandising. Taobao will list products on its platform, categorizing them and optimizing keywords to make it easy for customers to find what they need. The second one is order processing. After customer place order on the Taobao platform, the SCM system will coordinate order processing. This involves managing inventory, packaging, and shipping the product to customer while following the time to ensure customer get the product in the time given. The third one is customer service and support. Taobao provides customer service and support as a help center to answer questions or any issue from customers. This includes assisting with order tracking, making returns and refund, providing scam advisory, and more. SCM system also reduce the bullwhip effect. The first one is enhancing predict demand. SCM system use predict demand technique to predict future demand needed and wanted from customers. SCM using history data to analyze market trends and information from various sources such as stores or shopping centers. This proactive approach help business avoid unnecessary inventory and arranging them only stock items that are likely to sell. Taobao can minimize excess stock and reduce the risk of stock outs, optimizing inventory management and maximizing the revenue potentials. Furthermore, it minimizes or addresses price fluctuation. SCM system ensuring promotion or discount do not disturb typical buying and avoid more trouble predicting demand. By leveraging SCM system, Taobao can assess whether promotion or discount might cause more interaction than benefits. Besides, Taobao can consider minimizing items. Now I will talk about the value chain for a business. The first one is revenue growth. SCM system enable the business to meet customer demand more effectively in reality. This is because a business can enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty by ensuring that sending the product at the right time and providing goods or service to customers. The next one is competitive advantage. SCM system help Taobao by making them more flexible, responsible, and creative. They keep improving the supply chain management, collaborating closely with suppliers and partners, and using the advantage of technology to allow them to increase their profit and stand out in the worldwide market. The last one is cost efficiency. SCM system help the business control risk for the business, protecting financial interests while preventing waste, inventory holding, and unnecessary expense. In the end, Taobao can improve its profit and enhance its business reputation. For the slight challenge of global supply chain and internet technology, as we know Taobao is the largest e-commerce platform in China, there are many challenges to managing global supply chain and internet technologies. The challenges include language disparities, as the majority of Taobao is focusing on Chinese customers and may not be proficient in other language, and different customer laws, and every country has different time zones and shipping process. However, because of internet technology, offer efficient solution to solve all the problems. As you can see, I've listed 3 problems that has been solved. The first one is cross-border transactions. Internet technology enable Taobao to make it easy for people from different countries to buy things from its platform. They can use online payment system to purchase products from Taobao, such as Malaysia e-banking, Alipay, Touch and Go, credit card, and more. The second one is language support. Taobao ensures users from different countries can use this platform easily by providing language options. This means that no matter what language users speak, they can still understand product details and communicate with sellers or customer service on Taobao. The last one is supply chain management. Taobao uses internet technology to manage its supply chain. They use technology to manage shipments, inventory, and deliver product to customer on time. As a result, it ensures that everything they have arrived on time and does not get bad review from customers.
As you guys can see, we are at push-based and pull-based models. There's the difference between push-based and pull-based model. In push-based model, Taobao uses push-based model by forecasting demand for certain products based on historical data, market trends, and promotional events. For instance, Taobao is using Chinese platforms like Douyin to promote products with benefit of the product they are selling. While this strategy can increase their revenue, demand may decline once the trend passes, as everything else happens in life. And for pull-based model, Taobao uses a pull-based model when a customer orders products on Taobao. It sets off a series of actions in the supply chain. Then they enable coordination with suppliers based on monthly sales data to ensure right products are available, optimizing efficiency and minimizing warehouse space. We'll be moving on to the next slide. So you can see here, how do customer relation system helps firms achieve customer intimacy. So as you can see here, there's 3 categories. One is language of your customer, the other one is feedback and recommendation system, and another one is positive feedback system. So on the left here, the language of your customer, Taobao has multiple languages in its system, which allows users to view the website without having to translate it. It makes customer satisfaction on the website much easier. You don't need to use if you were to Google search a website that is not your origin of language, usually people would use the translate version on the website, which would not really work well. So Taobao has multiple languages, different languages that are already set, so you don't necessarily need to change the language. You not necessarily need to translate the language, my bad. As you can see in the middle here, feedback and recommendation system. For sellers who get a good feedback, they usually will get a better and higher ranking in the system, which will put their shop and them in a higher and they would be more recommended to sellers. But this also comes at a downfall because sellers have to fight each other in terms of services and be honest to every buyer on Taobao, which would usually have a competitiveness that is quite high as Taobao has a lot of sellers. Now moving on to the right, positive feedback system. If a seller and their store receive positive feedback like a 5-star from buyers, the stores would with high feedback, their store will achieve credits which will put the seller on top of the list. This will recommend items that are reliable to buyers when they are searching for any related goods. Now we'll be moving on to the next slide. Okay, so this is also the same as CRM, but this will be talking about how Taobao uses CRM. So Taobao has many customers and sellers that use our website. Our customer relationship management system will capture and integrate customers' data from all over the organization. After capturing and integrating into the prospective customer's profile, we will analyze the customer data to determine what type of shopper he or she is. This is also known as the single enterprise view. This includes where the customer lives, how much his or her average spending on the platform is, and what product they spend on the most. We would recommend promotions or discounted prices for customers on the product that they have viewed the most. We will also distribute customer information to various systems to ensure other systems do not have data redundancy. Customer relationship management will connect to all aspects of the customer relationship, including customer service, sales, and marketing.
This is the tools and capabilities of the customer relationship management. There are three aspects within the tools and capabilities of the CRM. Number one will be the customer services. As the customer satisfaction can greatly be influenced by the relationship between company and the customer. Therefore, the relationship development can be achieved by communicating the new activities and development to the customers. For such examples is the promotion, the discounts, the events, and other activities. And what's next? The second aspects of the tools and capabilities will be sales. CRM helps sales, operation, and administration made easy. This helps us to easily create quotations by creating preset quotation templates. Other than that, it helps convert quotations direct into sales orders. Last but not least will be the marketing. As marketing requires sales representatives to have a close connection to the customers, such as having direct contact with the sales representative so customers can purchase items at a discounted price or anything related to that. The tools are needed for good communication sales. So what are the software features and functions? The first one will be the operational customer relationship management. So basically what it does, it helps with day-to-day tasks such as managing contacts, sales, marketing, and customer service. The main goal of it is to make sure that these tasks is easier and more efficient. The second of it will be the analytical customer relationship management. What it does is it basically analyzes customer data in order to understand behaviors, its preferences, and its trends. And the main goal of it is to help to make smarter decisions based on what the customer's actions. So what are the challenges posed by the enterprise application? The number one challenge will be the technology changes. Taobao will be required to improvise and adapt to the changes following the technological improvements. With the changes applied, these technological improvements may also benefit management, efficiency, and overall productivity for the business. Next one will be the costing changes. As of many online shopping platforms, the main challenge that our business Taobao faces primarily will be the costing factor, as it is important to manage and control the overall expenses within the business. Thus, cost changes can involve using profits to upgrade the existing system to retain system stability, as there are more and more sellers and buyers that will be using the website, which involves faster equipment needed. The next challenges will be the customer's experience. Within our business Taobao, we prioritize customers' experience on our platform. Taobao primarily prioritizes providing services that satisfy the customers by meeting their requirements and the needs of the customers. Within our business, we also implemented feedback forms to receive positive and negative responses from the customers regarding the effectiveness of our platform. Last but not least will be the security control. Taobao strictly prioritizes security and protection upon customers' personal data and information. Likewise, Taobao ensures that our security is constantly under control and well managed by implementing a defense system within the platform that includes security measurements such as firewalls and encryptions. Therefore, these implementations allow the customer's data to be secure.
Hi everyone, I'm Junhui and now I'm going to talk about question 5. Question 5 has 2 sub-questions. The first sub-question is asking how are enterprise applications taking advantage of SOA, web services, open source software, and wireless technology. And the second sub-question is asking us to define social CRM and explain how customer relationship management systems are using social networking. Without further procrastinating, let's start. Service-oriented architecture, also as known as SOA for the short form, is a wireframe and user interface design that allows users to use the application with ease. The company we have chosen, Taobao, has different wireframes for different functions in the app and the website, where each of them is linked with one another. SOA allows Taobao website services to be separated from one another and broken down into small and manageable parts. SOA also allows service to connect with one another that makes it easy to communicate and exchange information. For web services, there are many web services in Taobao, for example, payment services, authentication, and security. And there are many advantages gained by Taobao. For example, payment service offers quick settlements which allows Taobao to receive the money after customers have paid, and this can ensure them have smooth cash flow management. For authentication and security, whenever users want to place an order, they will be requested to log in or sign up for an account, and there are many ways for customers to do authentication. For example, sign in through WeChat. Helps Taobao to identify their customers. For open source software, Taobao are taking advantages of it because, as explained above, SOA separates its website services into small and manageable parts. This allows them to implement new features one by one. They are also able to update or modify their coding easily, as each coding for each function is separated and easier to find. Besides, the coding language used by Taobao is also common coding language that is understandable by most web developers, and it can be modified to another version that suits different needs. For wireless technology, Taobao is an online shopping platform that can be accessed by users through websites or downloading their application. The app and website are directly accessed to Taobao servers through wireless connection for easier communication purpose. By using the latest technology, also as known as 5G, Taobao can ensure smooth and fast responsive work connection even though everything is done through wireless which will enhance the user's experience. That's all for question 5 part 1. Now, let's get to part 2. Define social CRM and explain how customer relationship management systems are using social networking. Social CRM incorporates social networking technology and all social networks of a company that works as a bridge between customers and the company. Social CRM allows companies to monitor social media activity and do social media analytics to know more feedback from their customers about their products. Besides, for better CRM, Taobao also have customer support service in their application, which allows customers to contact them easily when assistance or inquiries are needed. In the other hand, CRM also uses review and rating for products to know whether the customers are interested with which types of products. Through big data analytics, Taobao gets to know the types of products each customer is interested in, and easier segmentation can be done. This data helps business understanding their target audience better and tailor their marketing strategies accordingly. And now, that's the end of our presentations. I would like to say a huge thank you to all the audience who spent your precious time listening to our presentation. I hope this presentation gave you more information to know more about Taobao. Thank you very much.